DeFazio. I'm a registered dietitian and media nutritionist. Today we're making a delicious gourmet breakfast fruit salad. So let's get started. First off, have all of your ingredients out. We're going to start off with a banana. What is breakfast without a banana? Some really good potassium and adds a lot of really nice creaminess to the dish. I also like to always have a little trash bowl on the side to get rid of all my rinds and peels. So go ahead and just slice the banana. Very easy, very simple. Okay, we're going to toss that in our bowl. And when I think of a gourmet breakfast salad, I think of really luscious fruits, but kind of the higher end fruits, raspberries, blueberries, loaded with potassium, vitamin C, and of course beautiful color. So we're going to throw some raspberries in there, some blueberries, really high in antioxidants, and of course you can use any other fruits that you'd like, but these are sort of my favorites to make it extra special in gourmet. And then of course some strawberries. So we're going to take off the stems. These are already washed. You can go ahead and dice the stems off of your strawberries. Toss those out. And I usually kind of slice them up into quarters. Look how beautiful that looks. This is great for a brunch, a bridal shower, baby shower. Beautiful in the morning to have. Healthy, nutritious, refreshing, and tasty. This might serve about 2 people, but of course you can make them larger. That's the nice thing about fruit salads, is that you can easily increase the recipes. Okay, so that looks good for now. So now we're going to make our delicious dressing to add some sweetness and a little bit of tartness. So throw in about a tablespoon or 2 of honey. Really easy, really quick, and lemon. So again, keep your hand underneath to catch all the seeds. Go ahead and squeeze some lemon juice in there. Good. Throw it in your trash container. And we're going to mix that through just to kind of get everything incorporated. Look how beautiful that is. So it's going to glaze it and add an extra bit of sweetness on there. Drizzle that over. Wow. This is definitely going to impress any of your guests. This would also taste really good over some yogurt with granola. Make a little parfait. Beautiful. And there you have it. A delicious, healthy, gourmet breakfast fruit salad. I'm Lisa DeFazio. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.